Hello, Spartans! As we head into the final stretch of the semester, I want to start by saying thank you. Our students, faculty, and staff have worked incredibly hard this fall, and it shows. Let's keep that momentum going as we finish the semester and the calendar year strong. One of the moments I look forward to each year is almost here, commencement. On December 17th, about 200 students will walk across the stage, marking the culmination of their academic journey here at YCP. It's the moment they officially become college graduates and join the ranks of Spartan alumni. That means they are truly Spartans for life. To our soon-to-be graduates, we are proud of you, inspired by you, and excited to see where your paths lead next. And we hope that you'll stay connected with your alma mater. Come back and see us, take advantage of alumni resources and networking, and whatever you do, please keep York College a meaningful part of your story. This semester has given us a lot to celebrate. We hosted 3 of our busiest open houses in years, including our largest since 2017. It's been energizing to meet so many future Spartans and to see them discovering what makes this community special. From our dedicated faculty and in-demand academic programs, to our vibrant student life and experiential learning opportunities. Thanks to the efforts of each one of you, the word is getting out. York College is a great place to be. Before we honor our graduates, we'll gather for one of the most festive campus traditions of the year, Winterfest, happening tomorrow at 6 p.m. Grab your scarves and your mittens because this year's event promises to be a winter wonderland like no other. I'm especially looking forward to helping flip the switch to light up our campus for the holidays. I also want to take a moment to congratulate student athletes Meg Kaltoff, Dylan Marco, and Sammy Bear for their MAC Commonwealth Awards. We've had several athletes win awards this fall, and we want to celebrate all 21 all-conference performers across several fall sports. Our student athletes embody dedication, resilience, and the ability to excel both on the field and in the classroom. As we head into finals, let's carry the positive energy of the season with us and finish the semester with strength and purpose. Thank you for everything you've done to make this a successful and inspiring fall. Have a happy, restful, and well-deserved winter break, Spartans.